Pretty bizarre, isn't it? This video was filmed somewhere in Shanghai, China, next to the Pearl Tower, and uploaded by a user named Bruce Lee. There's not much info available, but as we can see, it seems to be stormy weather. And if you look closely, you can also see a black figure floating in the air next to the building. This isn't the strangest thing yet, because the floating figure is even hit by lightning several times. Some people also compared the figure to Raiden, a fictional character from the Mortal Kombat series. It seems that the figure is charged by lightning in order to get more energy. Could this be a person with superpowers, or would this be the work of video editing again?